To answer their question directly, what should everybody be doing with their money in the stock market? Getting AI to advise them what to buy. If your children had a medical problem and you had access to all the medical data in the world, would you use that medical data to cure your children's disease or solve the problem that they're having? Or would you go to YouTube and take the advice of some individual, or would you go to the internet and ask for a cure? Or would you use all the knowledge in the world to cure your child of whatever was going on with them? Well, I think the answer is obvious, and the answer is obvious today. About a month ago, I discovered the platform that can analyze all the financial information on any stock that I choose and give me projections of what the price of the stock is going to be. My portfolio has thus turned around because I've identified the stocks that have the financial structure and the pipeline that will take them to the pinnacle of AI. And I'm using an AI platform to help me find them, analyze them, and then put them in a format that I can understand, that you can understand, and I can make informed business decisions. In my thumbnail, I've listed a series of stocks that I believe you should buy at the price that I'm suggesting and sell at the price that I'm suggesting. To give you an idea, today SMCI is up 15%. My platform told me that I should buy it below 45 and it's going to 70. And there is no doubt in my mind that will happen. APLD up 10% today. It's a buy below 620 and it's a sell when it hits 15, unless we find through AI it has more growth potential. But we'll know that when it hits 15. And then there's SoundHound. SoundHound is a stock that I recognize just purely because I enjoyed using it at my fast food drive-in. And it's up 35% this month, up 100% this year. It's selling for $12 and it will go to $25 based on its financials, its technicals, all the knowledge in the world on SoundHound. I have done this for the last month. I've done about 2 stocks a day, so I've analyzed 60 stocks, and I'm willing to share that information with you because I want you to make good investment decisions, and I want you to have all the knowledge in the world available to you if you so choose. So come to my website, Best of Us Investors, take advantage of the 14-day free trial, read the documents that I create, listen to the podcasts that I create, and become an informed investor. It's there for the taking if you will just recognize the world has changed a month ago, when I and you gained access to all the knowledge in the world relative to any stock that you want to analyze. This is for early adapters. Those who figure it out early are going to become millionaires. Talk to you more about this when you show up next Friday at our Stock Talk.